In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Exness account. Whether you're looking to start trading or want to explore the features Exness offers, setting up your account is the crucial first step. Let's walk through this process together to help you get started smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Exness website. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent Register button on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that to begin your registration. The registration form will now prompt you to enter your country or region of residence. This is an important step because your choice here will determine the range of services available to you based on local laws and regulations. So be sure to select your actual country or region of residence for the best experience. Next, you'll be asked to provide your email address. If you'd prefer a quicker sign-up process and it's supported in your region, you can choose the option to sign up using your Google account. But if you're going the traditional route, carefully type in your email address, ensuring there are no typos, as this will be crucial for account recovery and communications. Now, you'll need to create a password. Make sure it fulfills the security requirements provided by Exness. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This helps keep your account secure. If you're prompted for an optional partner or affiliate code, and you have one, you can enter it here. However, if you don't have a code, feel free to leave this field blank. Before you proceed, you'll see a declaration stating that you need to confirm you are not a U.S. citizen or resident. This step is necessary due to regulatory reasons, so please check the box if it applies to you. Once all the information is filled out accurately, click the Continue button. Congratulations! You've now created what Exness calls a personal area, or PA. This personal area serves as your main hub for managing all your trading activities and account settings. From here, you can explore various features, set up trading terminals, and configure security settings. And there you have it. From visiting the website to creating your personal area, you're now all set to dive deeper into the Exness platform. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, Exness also has customer support available to assist you. Enjoy your trading journey.